My name is Cameron Jensen, and I decided to do a new look in our living room. We've been doing new drywall and painting and made a huge mess on our concrete floor, and we decided against going with hardwood floor and carpet and wanted to just really make our concrete pop out with a beautiful stain. We've used simple green in the past for cleaning up the counters, floors. So we went to the hardware store and we're looking for something to clean up our concrete. We found a simple green heavy duty cleaner. We knew it was a product we could rely on for our family. First thing we had to do was scrape off all the old paint and drywall and whatever else was left on the floor. Then we went ahead and vacuumed that all up so that there weren't any remnants. Then we went ahead and started applying the simple green onto the concrete and let it sit and soak in for a little bit to release anything that was on there. We sprayed it a little bit with some water as well just to keep it wet and kind of buffed it out of the concrete, got everything out that we could to make it look nice and clean. And we found that there were several cracks in the concrete from sitting for several years and being used. We filled it with a concrete filler, which left residue along the side of the cracks, and it was really neat to see the simple green and buffer kind of just clean it out and just see the crack and not be able to see the residue along the sides. And as soon as we stained the concrete, none of the cracks were visible any longer. Then we got to the stain part, sprayed that on, similar to the simple green, and kind of swished it around with a broom to get the swirl look. Then we applied the finishing coat. We liked using simple green because being in a small enclosed area and with the family, we didn't want to have too many harsh fumes, and we'll keep using simple green. It's something that we like to use just around the house, not necessarily always on huge projects, but just to keep the floor or counters or anything in the bathroom clean.